Hello, everyone. In this talk today, I will be talking about our interns in our company who have just started out on their first week. And I would just like to give them some tips on how to effectively engage themselves in our business meetings. So, there are essentially three steps to this: there is before the meeting, during the meeting, and after the meeting, which I'll be going through in more detail in the following slides. Before the meeting, it's very important to know the meeting time and location. So for interns, you can locate that through the emails sent out with the meeting agendas in them. They're sent out to all the employees at least 3 to 4 days before the meeting occurs. It's also important to know the topic of the meeting and study it comprehensively. So, say if you're involved, especially if you're involved in a project that is pertinent in this meeting. Also, prepare questions related to the topic of the meeting. So to show uh, that you're engaged in the meeting. During the meeting, it is important to practice active listening. Always try to understand what the employers um, are talking about, um, especially if it's a project that you're involved in. It's important to take notes on that. Pay attention to the questions that are being asked between the employees, between each other, and if a question comes to you, you have to be prepared to answer. After the meeting, it is important to save the meeting minutes because that helps you keep a record of what was talked about, and it helps you retain your knowledge and information as you're starting out as an intern. You can also do follow up questions with your direct manager, whose team you're working for, and ask questions that would help progress the project forward. Um, Lastly, review your own performance during the meeting. If you think that you may have not done enough active listening or may have not asked enough questions, note that down and do better in the next meeting. Always do a performance review after the meeting. Thank you very much. And the intern should get sufficient information from this presentation regarding effective engagement in business meetings and would be able to move forward um, within the company in the internship. Good luck to all of you interns. Thank you.